Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can do a poll in WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download WhatsApp and set up your account. We have already prepared videos covering those topics, so you can check out the channel if you want to know how you can set up your WhatsApp. So after downloading WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and go to the chat or group chat where you want to do the poll. After you open your chat, tap on this clip icon near your message box right there. After you tap on the clip icon, it will show a varieties of options, and at the end you will see a poll option. Tap on it. It will open a create poll section where you can write your question and add options. So let's add some random questions like how are you? Then our first option will be fine, second not fine. You can also add more than 2 options. So after you complete adding the options, tap on this next tab, and as you can see the poll has appeared in the chat. As you can see, my preference has been recorded. So in this way you can add a poll in any group chat or personal chat with your members. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for further videos.